Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with another exciting recipe, Mach Makhni. As we always try to create something new, today's recipe is also a unique creation of Bang Chef. To try something new with a regular fish, this could be the perfect dish that you can try for your loved ones. To explore such amazing recipe, I need your support. Your subscription and comments will keep us going. So please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, then let's get started. Welcome to Bang Chef. For the Mach Makhni, we need whole garam masala, tomato puree 150 grams, ginger and green chili paste 1 tablespoon, curd 2 to 3 tablespoon, cashew paste 2 tablespoon, chopped onion 200 grams, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, methi leaves 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon and salt to taste. We would need boneless pieces for this recipe. I have tried this with a 3.5 kg katla fish. You can obviously get this done at the fish shop, but doing this at home is lot more fun. We won't be removing the skin as we need that for the dish. It holds the fish tightly and helps the dish to look even nice. Now let's cut this from the bottom side as well. Let's cut this whole thing into couple of pieces. You also can remove those thin bones from the fish. Once you have these thick pieces, let's further slit it this way, as this will help while cooking it, and also it will look good when the dish will be served. Let's add some salt, some lemon juice and mix it well, and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now take some maida, add some cornstarch as well, add little bit of salt and mix it well. Coat the pieces with the mix nicely. It will keep our fish crispy from outside and soft from inside. Now add the pieces using a tongue to the hot oil. Fry it for 8 to 10 minutes in low flame. You can see all cuts are visible and looking yummy. Cook both the sides evenly. Once fried, keep them aside for gravy. You can see how nice color we got. In that same oil, add whole garam masala. In garam masala, I took jeera, bay leaves, red chili and elaichi. Add 2 cubes of butter. Once the masala is fried, let's add chopped onion. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. Once the onions are fried, add ginger and chili paste. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the turmeric powder and give it a mix. After 2 to 3 minutes, add tomato puree and saute it for some time. Add salt to taste. Now add 2 spoons of curd and 2 spoons of cashew paste and mix it well. When mix dries up, add 2 cups of hot water. Mix it to have a thick gravy. Now it's time to add the fried fish and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add methi leaves. Add little bit of sugar, but this is optional. Mix it with the gravy. Our Mach Makhni is ready and it's hot. You can serve this with pulao, fried rice or with white rice. A little garnishing with coriander leaves makes it even nice on your dinner table. Please go ahead and try this at home and let me know in the comment section about your thoughts. And if by chance you are loving my recipes, please subscribe and support our channel so we can bring such amazing recipes. I will come back with a brand new dish very soon. Till then, stay tuned and take care. Bye.